how to restore uninstalled programs on your Windows 11 computer. So if you've accidentally uninstalled or deleted a program, I'm going to show you how we can go in, restore this and bring this application back. Now the first step is to go and open up the start menu on your computer. You then just want to search for recovery and then go and click on this recovery option. Now from the list of options, click on Open System Restore. You can then click on Next. And here you'll find a list of all of the different restore points on your computer. So what you want to do is go and select the restore point that was before when you uninstalled the application. Now you also probably want to make sure that this restore point isn't too long ago in the past. So ideally you want to choose the latest restore point possible. And just bear in mind that any changes you've made from now to the restore point is going to revert all of those changes back to their original. So if you're happy to do this, we can just go and press Next, and then you can just press Finish to go and restore your computer back to an earlier date. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.